Hey everyone, Terry here with Promo Realty. I am at our newest listing at 1003 Nelson Drive. This is located on the east side of Jefferson City. This wonderful brick ranch has been well maintained and cared for by the original owners. This home offers 2,500 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and main level living. It sits on a large half-acre lot that will give you lots of space to enjoy the outdoors, enjoy the sunsets or family barbecue from the newly updated back deck. The basement has a large family room, perfect for entertaining family and friends or just hanging out during movie night. Don't miss the chance to come see this wonderful home. It won't last long. Check back on our Facebook page for information regarding open houses, or you can also call into our office to book your own private showing. Enjoy our tour. Take care.